Hello students, now we move towards the next part of this session, that is orientation of electrophilic substitution in pyrrole. Before we move towards that of the orientation of electrophilic substitution in pyrrole, we must know what is meant by electrophilic substitution. The substitution in which one electrophile is replaced by other electrophile, that substitution reaction is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophiles are that species which carries a positive charge. So one electrophile is replaced by that of the other electrophile. That reaction is called as the electrophilic substitution. As pyrrole is an aromatic compound, as we explain on the basis of molecular orbital picture, it undergoes mainly electrophilic substitution reaction like that of the benzene. Pyrrole undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction predominantly at two positions. In pyrrole, there are the two positions for the electrophilic attack, that is C2 position and C3 position. Is mainly attached on that of the C2 position and a positive charge is generated next to it. So by the attack of electrophile on the ring, a carbocation is formed. This positive charge, it is in conjugation with that of the pi bond. So it undergoes resonance on that of the ring. It delocalizes on that of the ring. Here the pi bond is shifted and positive charge is delocalized at that of the third position. Now again a lone pair of electron on the nitrogen, it is in conjugation with that of this positive charge. A lone pair of electron is shifted here and a positive charge is generated on that of the nitrogen atom. So due to that of the delocalization of the positive charge or the carbocation on that of the ring, three resonating structures are obtained when electrophile is attacks on the C2 carbon atom. Now negative charge is generated on that of the C3 carbon atom. Electrophile is attacks here. A positively charged electrophile is attacks on the negatively charged carbon atom. A positive charged carbocation is generated on the ring here. As it is in conjugation with that of the lone pair of electron on the nitrogen, it undergoes delocalization and a positive charge is generated on the nitrogen. When a positive charge is generated on the nitrogen of pyrrole, then delocalization is not possible. So when electrophile is attacks on C3 position, we get two resonating structures. When it attacks on the C2 position, then it gives the three resonating structures. While when it is attacks on the C3 position, we get two resonating structures of the resulting carbocation. We know that more the number of resonating structures, more is the stability. When electrophile is attacks on the C2 position, we have three resonating structures, 1, 2, 3. While when it attacks on the C3 position, we get only two resonating structures. So that electrophile when attacks on that of the second carbon atom of the pyrrole, it gives more stable resonating structure or resonance hybrid as compared to that of the C3. And due to that, pyrrole predominantly undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at that of the 2 position. So that's all about the orientation of electrophilic substitution reaction in pyrrole. So we move towards that of the electrophilic substitution reactions which are takes place on that of the pyrrole. As we already discussed what is the attack on that of the remaining position. The different reactions, electrophilic substitution reactions which are takes place in pyrroles, they are: first is nitration. Pyrrole when reacted with that of the nitric acid in acetic anhydride at 283 Kelvin in cold condition gives 2-nitropyrrole. Here NO2 is your electrophile. It attacks on that of the second carbon atom of that of the pyrrole ring. We get 2-nitropyrrole. Second reaction is sulfonation reaction, in which SO3, pyridine SO3, that is pyridine sulfur trioxide, in ethylene chloride at about 383 Kelvin when reacted gives pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid. This SO3H group is called as the sulfonic acid group. It attacks on the second carbon atom and we get pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid. Next reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation or acetylation reaction. In Friedel-Crafts acylation and acetylation reaction, pyrrole is treated with acetic anhydride at 523 Kelvin temperature. Acyl or acetyl group is introduced on the second position and we get 2-acetyl pyrrole. Next is halogenation. Pyrrole undergoes halogenation reactions, that is chlorination, bromination and iodination. First we move towards the chlorination. There are the two different methods for the chlorination of pyrrole. In the first, when pyrrole is treated with sulfuryl chloride, that is SO2Cl2, in ether at 273 Kelvin, that is under cold condition, it gives 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole. In the second method of chlorination, when pyrrole is treated with that of the chlorine gas, then all the hydrogen atoms of the ring as well as on that of the nitrogen atom, they are replaced by means of the chlorine group. So we get pentachloropyrrole. Next reaction is bromination. When pyrrole is treated with bromine in ethyl alcohol at 273 Kelvin, replace 4 hydrogen atoms of 4 carbon atom of pyrrole ring by means of the bromine group. We get 2,3,4,5 tetrabromopyrrole. Next reaction is iodination, in which pyrrole is treated with iodine and gives 2,3,4,5 tetraiodopyrrole. So that's all the reactions of electrophilic substitution in pyrrole. First is nitration, second is sulfonation, third is Friedel-Crafts acylation or acetylation, and last one is halogenation, which includes chlorination by means of two methods, bromination and iodination. So students, in today's lecture we discuss molecular orbital structure of pyrrole, which is of 4 marks in your examination. Nextly, orientation of electrophilic substitution in pyrrole, which also includes 4 marks in examination. And lastly, the different electrophilic substitution reactions given by pyrrole. I hope you understand this. Thank you.